Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use multitasking or split screen windows on your Windows device. So on Windows 10 you should simply go to start and then go to settings and then go to system, and on the left you will see the multitasking feature option. Then click on it and then make sure the snap windows is turned on and all these three options is turned on. Then you need to go to your folder, then whichever you're trying to set on your screen. Then I have 4 folders here, four tabs. One is VS Code, and the two other is videos, and the fourth is a folder. So I'll just simply go and click Windows left. This will align the current folder to the left. And then what I'll do is click on the VS Code, and then I'll just click on the right. So what it does is it will align on the right. If I want a 4 view, okay, so I have 4 tabs opened here. The first one is the folder tab, the second one is a video tab, and the fourth one is video tab, and one is VS Code. So what I'll do is just simply click on Windows plus left key, and this will align on the left. And then I'll just simply go on the VS Code section and then click Windows plus right button. This will align to the left. So if I want a 4 window, what I can do is simply first I'll just resize this to the top left section. So what I mean by this is I'll just simply click on Windows plus top. This will align on the Windows plus top, and then I'll get 2 more windows that I can set. I'll set this one here, okay. Then I can do the same for this. Then go on to the VS Code section, click on Windows plus up button, and then I'll just select this one. This is how you can multitask or split your screen into the on your screen. So I hope this helps. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. You do not need to use any external software.